Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit mobile site on Wix. If you've been trying to make your Wix website look clean and professional on mobile devices, but keep running into layout issues, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to edit and optimize your mobile site inside Wix Studio, so your pages look polished, responsive, and easy to navigate across different screen sizes. Mobile optimization is one of the most important parts of modern web design because a huge portion of your visitors are likely viewing your site directly from their phones. A website that looks perfect on desktop can sometimes appear cramped, misaligned, or difficult to use on smaller screens, which is why learning how to properly adjust your mobile layout is so important.
Once you open Wix Studio, you'll notice different responsive breakpoints for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. These views let you preview how your website appears across different devices and screen sizes. For this tutorial, we'll mainly focus on the mobile view so we can fine-tune the layout specifically for smartphones. When you first switch over to mobile view, don't worry if things look a little messy. It's completely normal to see overlapping text, oversized images, spacing problems, or elements that don't fit correctly right away. Even experienced designers run into this. The goal is simply to adjust each section so everything feels balanced, readable, and easy to interact with on a smaller screen. Start by checking large elements like videos or banners. On desktop, these may stretch nicely across the page, but on mobile, they can overflow or leave awkward empty spaces. Resize and reposition them carefully so they fit naturally within the visible screen area. Sometimes adjusting margins, spacing, or padding can make a huge difference in how clean the layout feels. Next, move to your header and navigation menu. Mobile screens have limited space, so this area needs to stay simple and functional. Make sure your logo displays correctly, your menu is easy to tap, and none of your navigation elements feel crowded together. If needed, simplify the layout or hide non-essential elements to keep the mobile experience smooth. After that, go through your other pages one by one, especially product pages, service sections, or content-heavy layouts. Check that text remains readable, images stack properly, and buttons have enough spacing for mobile users to tap comfortably. Small adjustments like these can greatly improve the overall user experience and make your website feel much more professional. Once you're happy with the changes, preview your site again and test how everything flows from section to section. Taking the time to optimize your mobile layout can have a major impact on how visitors interact with your site and how polished your brand appears online. And that's basically it. Editing your mobile site in Wix Studio becomes much easier once you understand how responsive layouts work and how to make small adjustments for different devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.